Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to sell digital products like ebooks, templates or guides on Facebook Marketplace in 2025 using some of the smart workarounds that follow Facebook's current rules. So make sure that you stick around till the end for a tip to automate the delivery safely. Without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to search for facebook.com. Once you are on Facebook, you need to simply log in into your account. Then in the left hand section, click on the marketplace option. Once you are inside your marketplace, you need to click on the option of create new listing. Then it is going to ask you to choose the type of listing. So here, since we want to sell the digital product, you need to just click on the option of items for sale. Even though it is a digital product, we will still post it like a physical item here. So once you are inside this listing, you need to first of all upload a clean graphic of the product. For example, let's say I'm currently uploading the ebook cover, or you can also upload the sample of the template. Avoid using any kind of images that say download here on the home page in the huge text, because Facebook sometimes can flag that. Now once you are done, in the right hand section simply add the title of the description of that particular template very cleanly. So let's say I'm going to type this title over here, which will be visible in the right hand section. Over here, you need to select the price of this particular product, then select the category of this product, the condition, whether it is new or old, select the size, color, brand depending on the type that you have selected. Over here, provide the description of your uh, listing and explain what is all about, and what is buyers are going to get and how they are going to get the delivery. For example, you can write it over here that you can get the delivery with the help of the Google Drive link after the purchases. Also make sure that you set the fair price. So once you are done with your listing, you can click on this publish option over here, and in the description as well you can mention that accepted payment methods in your chats and send a link privately after the buyers contact you, and never include any direct link here in this post or in the description, because this way Facebook may hide your listings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.